Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Begin by bringing your attention to yourself. Silently repeat the following phrases to yourself. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I live with ease. Feel the warmth and kindness in these words. Now, extend this loving kindness to someone you care about. Picture them in your mind and repeat the phrases. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you live with ease. Next, broaden your circle of loving kindness to include acquaintances, even people you may have difficulties with, and eventually all beings. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings live with ease. Feel the expansiveness of this loving energy. Take a deep breath and let it go. Whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes and carry this sense of loving kindness with you throughout your day.